One of the challenges we faced was that our project was targeting a really novel research area. So we didn't really know what was right or what was wrong, so we had to learn how to shoot down ideas and be able to learn from them, to reroute, and eventually come to an idea that we can actually make true. One interesting thing that I learned was that the future is actually not so far away. It might be just one more step, because we wanted to have our product be as much feasible and effective as possible, so we consulted the opinions of experts. And through talking with those experts, I realized that the materials and techniques we were reading in the research papers that seem so unrealistic, like futuristic, are actually really accessible, and like the materials can be easily obtained. So I have really high hopes for the future. Yes, so ExploraVision really allowed me to kind of gain insight that we can actually take the next step and we can actually make a solution that impacts the world. So I really want to go into research now in college, and I'm interested in going down the pre-med track, hopefully become a surgeon, and I want to do more research in the neuro field as our project is targeting neuroprosthetics.